there, science explorers. Have you ever wondered why things fall down? Why doesn't your lunch just float away?
It's all thanks to gravity. Gravity is a force that pulls everything towards each other. Think of it like an invisible magnet pulling everything towards the center of the Earth.
This force is what keeps you on the ground, what makes rain fall from the clouds, and even what keeps the Earth orbiting around the sun.
Without gravity, our world would be a very different place. We'd be floating all over the place. So next time you see something fall, remember that it's not just magic, it's gravity at work.
Keep those science questions coming, because the universe is full of amazing forces waiting to be discovered. Stay curious.
Let's travel back in time to the 17th century to meet a brilliant scientist named Sir Isaac Newton. Legend has it that Newton was sitting under an apple tree when, splat! An apple fell on his head.
Now, this bump on the head wasn't just any bump, it was a eureka moment. Newton realized that the same force that pulled the apple down also kept the moon in orbit around the Earth.
That's right, gravity isn't just about things falling down, it's about objects attracting each other.
Newton's observations led him to develop his law of universal gravitation, a groundbreaking discovery that changed our understanding of the universe. He showed that gravity wasn't just an Earth thing. It was a universal force that acted between all objects with mass.
Stay tuned to find out more about this amazing law and how it affects everything in the cosmos. Don't go anywhere, science fans. Newton's law of universal gravitation is like a cosmic rulebook for gravity. It tells us that every object in the universe attracts every other object with a force that depends on two things: mass and distance.
So, the more massive an object, the stronger its gravitational pull. Think of it like this. A bowling ball has a stronger pull than a tennis ball.
Distance also matters. The closer two objects are, the stronger the gravitational attraction between them. Imagine two magnets. They stick together strongly when they're close, but their pull weakens as you move them apart.
That's why we feel Earth's gravity so strongly. We're pretty close to it. But our gravity also pulls on the moon, keeping it in orbit around us.
So, gravity is a two-way street, a cosmic dance between objects big and small, near and far.
Stay tuned, because gravity's got more amazing feats to reveal. Keep those science brains switched on.
Let's talk about free fall.
Imagine jumping out of a plane, with a parachute, of course.
As you fall, you're accelerating, which means you're going faster and faster. This acceleration is due to gravity pulling you towards the Earth.
We call this acceleration due to gravity g, and it's about 9.8 meters per second squared.
That means for every second you fall, your speed increases by 9.8 meters per second.
But here's the cool part. All objects, regardless of their mass, fall at the same rate in a vacuum.
This means that if you dropped a feather and a bowling ball at the same time in a vacuum, they would hit the ground simultaneously. This happens because the force of gravity is proportional to an object's mass.
Gravity's acceleration is a key player in the universe, shaping the motion of planets, stars, and everything in between.
Stay curious, because we're about to blast off to discover gravity's influence beyond Earth. Gravity isn't just about keeping our feet on the ground, it's the cosmic choreographer of the universe.
It's the force that holds the moon in orbit around the Earth, keeps the Earth and other planets orbiting the sun, and even holds entire galaxies together.
Just imagine, massive galaxies swirling through space, guided by the invisible hand of gravity. That's the power of this fundamental force.
Gravity's influence extends far beyond our solar system.
It plays a key role in the formation of stars and planets by pulling together vast clouds of gas and dust.
Without gravity, our universe would be a very different and far less interesting place.
So, the next time you look up at the night sky, remember that you're not just looking at twinkling stars, you're witnessing the awe-inspiring power of gravity in action.
Keep those cosmic questions coming!
Today we've journeyed through the fascinating world of gravity. We've learned that gravity is a force that pulls everything together, from the smallest apple to the largest star. We explored Newton's law of universal gravitation, which explains how this force depends on mass and distance. We've seen how gravity affects falling objects and discovered its crucial role in the universe, holding planets in orbit and shaping the cosmos as we know it. Gravity may seem like a simple force, but it's responsible for the very existence of stars, planets, and galaxies. So keep questioning, keep exploring, and never stop being curious about the universe and the forces that govern it.